Ah! Scared me. Welcome, Canadian Rust. He came at the right time. Gonna do a little cold start on the beauty. It's only 0, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. 30, I don't know. That's 2 pumps. I didn't unhook the battery, so let's pray. Maybe I did unhook the battery. God dang it. Getting smart. Alright. Another pump for good luck. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Fargo. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Ooh, that didn't sound good. It's still good. Was idling. Oh, idle. I gotta hook up the choke, but I don't want to. It would make the cold starts easier. You don't want that. I am getting low on gas. So, hope this doesn't go over 2 minutes because that's my average duration. So, yeah, just want you to enjoy the full effect. Alright, well anyways, you get the point. You guys have a good one. Like and subscribe.